Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday morning. Looks like it's gonna rain today. Oh, you can see the sky. Looks like it's going to rain. Oh. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday morning. I just got out of the shower this morning to try to organize some stuff if I can. So it's a little cooler today. Oh, it's raining. I just felt a drop. So hope you guys are having a great Tuesday morning. Yeah, it's raining. I can feel it. We definitely need the rain. I love. Alright, let me ask you all a question. Do you like snowboarding, kayaking, snow tubing, camping? So which one do you guys like? Camping, snow tubing, snowboarding, hiking, kayaking, camping, hiking, snow tubing, snowboarding, and kayaking. There's 5 things. Comment down below which one you guys like. I like kayaking and camping and hiking, so I can't really choose one. I choose all 5. So I love snowboarding, so hopefully this year I'll go snowboarding, hopefully up in Blue Mountain, so, or up the mountains. So hope you guys are having a great Tuesday morning. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. It's about 10:58, and I guess I will talk to you guys later. Alright, enjoy this Tuesday morning and have a good day. Bye, guys.